Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll go ahead and show you on how you can fix Streamlabs connecting to chat. So if you're streaming on Streamlabs right here and your chat says that it's connecting to chat, all you have to do to fix this problem is to simply enable or disable a setting. So just head over to the settings of Streamlabs, and from here you then want to click on Advanced. You want to scroll all the way down, and under sources, you will be able to see the enable browser source hardware acceleration. Now, you will be able to see enable browser source hardware acceleration. Now, this setting is connected to your browser, so that can cause the problems when connecting to your chat. Now, to fix this problem, all you have to do is to disable the setting right here. And after clicking on done, you will be able to go ahead and have to restart your Streamlabs. So you want to make sure that you go ahead and do so. And from there, you can just go ahead and open it up back in. So let's just wait for the page to load in. And so basically right after that, if it says that it has successfully connected to your chat, you want to go ahead and make sure to basically leave the settings alone. But if it still didn't fix the problem, you can just go ahead and navigate through the advanced setting, and you want to enable this once more. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.